CBSE Board Standard 6 Mathematics Lesson 1 Patterns in Mathematics. Students, in this lesson, first we will learn patterns in mathematics. First pattern we will learn is pattern of constant sequence. In this, a number with constant value is repeated. For example, 111 is repeated. Another example is 4 is repeated in the sequence, etc. The second pattern is sequence of counting numbers, which contains numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., where 1 is added in each number and a sequence is made. First number is 1, then 1 plus 1, that is 2, is the second number, then 2 plus 1, that is 3, is the third number, and so on. Third pattern is pattern of odd number sequence. Odd numbers are which are not divisible by 2. For example, the pattern is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, where each number is made by adding 2. Fourth pattern is pattern of even number sequence. Even number are those numbers which are multiple of 2. It contains 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc., which are made by adding 2 to each number. Fifth pattern is pattern of triangular numbers. Triangular numbers are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, etc. These numbers are called triangular numbers because they represent the number of dots needed to form an equilateral triangle. Sixth pattern is pattern of square number sequence. Square numbers are those numbers which are formed by multiplying the number to itself. Means 1 is formed by multiplying 1 by 1. 4 is formed by multiplying 2 multiplied by 2. 9 is formed by multiplying 3 multiplied by 3. Thus, the square number sequence is 1, 4, 9, 16, etc. The sequence is called square number because these numbers represent the number of dots needed to form perfect geometric square. Seventh pattern is pattern of cubes of natural numbers. Cubes are obtained by multiplying a number itself 3 times. For example, 1 is 1 cube, that is 1 into 1 into 1 3 times. 8 is 2 cube, that is 2 is multiplied 3 times. 27 is 3 cube, that is 3 is multiplied 3 times. 64 is 4 cube, that is 4 is multiplied 3 times. 125 is 5 cube, that is 5 is multiplied 3 times. And 216 is 6 cube, that is 6 is multiplied 3 times. Thus, number contained in the pattern of cubes are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, etc. Pictorial representation is given below each cube. Eighth pattern is the pattern of Viranga numbers. Viranga number starts with 1, 1 and the next number is formed by the sum of the two preceding numbers. That is, after 1, 1 there is 2 which is formed by 1 plus 1. Next number 3 is formed by 1 plus 2. Then 5 is formed by 2 plus 3. Thus, Viranga numbers contains 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, etc. Ninth pattern is pattern of power of 2, where the number starts with 1 and each subsequent number is double the previous number. That is, first number is 1, the second is 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2, the third is 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, the fourth number is 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8, the fifth number is 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16, etc. Pictorial representation is given for your reference for pattern of power of 2. 10th pattern is pattern of power of 3. It consists of numbers starting with 1 and each subsequent, that is next number, is 3 times the one before it. That is, it contains the first number 1, the next number 1 multiplied by 3, that is 3, The next is 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. The next is 9 multiplied by 3, that is 27. The next is 27 multiplied by 3, that is 81. The next is 81 multiplied by 3, that is 243, and so on. Pictorial representation is given for pattern of power of 3. Kindly refer the same. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video for upcoming updates. Students, now we will see relations among number sequence. Number sequence can be related to each other in surprising ways. For example, let us add odd numbers. When odd numbers are added, first we will consider one odd number, 1 equal to 1, which is 1 square. Then we will consider two odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and it is 2 square. Next is three odd numbers are added, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9 and that is 3 square. Then we will add four odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, which is equal to 16 and which is 4 square. Next we will add five odd numbers, which are 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 and is equal to 25 and is 5 square. This shows that adding odd numbers gives square numbers. Another example of sequence forming square numbers. If counting numbers are added up in increasing order and then decreasing order, it gives square numbers. For example, addition starts with one counting number. If only one counting number is added, gives 1 square. If two counting numbers are added in increasing and then decreasing order, gives 4, that is 2 square. If we add three counting numbers in increasing and decreasing order, it gives 9, which is 3 square. If we add four counting numbers in increasing and decreasing order, it gives 16, that is 4 square, and so on. Thus, if we add 9 counting numbers in increasing and decreasing order, it gives 81, which is a 9 square. Please keep watching. Part 2 is coming soon.